How can you make your first £100,000? Well, for a lot of people, this is definitely the first place to start. So rather than thinking, okay, I want to become a millionaire, for sure, that's a good long-term goal to have. But if you're in a job at the minute where you want to basically leave your job, start building wealth, £100,000 really is the starting block. And you need to do as much as you can to get there as fast as possible. For most people, the best way of doing this is some kind of business, especially a service or an agency business where you have a skill and you basically use that skill to solve problems for other people. This is the way I made my first £100,000, was literally for accountancy. I'm a qualified accountant, businesses need accountants, so how can I use this skill to make that first £100,000? And it really is as simple as that. So many different ways of doing this. You could do social media marketing, you could do tax consultancy, accounting, bookkeeping, business planning, coaching. The list is endless, but basically you need to develop a skill. So if you don't have that skill, you need to start learning a skill that people are willing to pay for, package that up into a service, and then sell that to people. That for sure is hands down is the best way to make your first £100,000.